Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Chevy Malibu side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off and the parking brake engaged. It's also a good idea to place painter's tape around the mirror base to protect your car's finish during the removal process. Next, we'll remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the wiring. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Then, use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the 3 mounting nuts holding the mirror in place. Once unbolted, gently slide the old mirror assembly away from the door. Now, let's install your new mirror. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the 3 mounting studs on the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and heating. Finally, we'll reassemble and perform a final check. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips align and snap securely into their respective slots. Replace any screws or fasteners you removed, ensuring they are snug. Give the new mirror glass a thorough cleaning for clear visibility. Before hitting the road, double-check that all mirror functions are working perfectly and the mirror is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.